Friday, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Everything Martha Crafts and More. I am going to upload a DIY today and maybe even that recipe that I told you about with the chickpeas. I hope that you'll stay tuned for that. This video is going to be a DIY that I made with all Dollar Tree items. I've been looking at these little trays that a lot of people are using in decor. They're like wooden beaded trays, and I think they're so pretty, but they're not cheap. I was looking online, and most of them that I find, they sell you in a set of 2, which I really don't want to. But the least expensive one I found was $58 for a set of 2, and there was another one that was $64 for a set of 2, and then the most expensive one was $82 for a set of 2. I'm gonna insert a picture of some of those 3, and so I really don't want to spend that much money on it. And so I went out to the Dollar Tree and I started looking to see what things that I could buy to make myself one of those little trays. And yes, I only made 1, but even if I were to make 2, it would be $12 because I spent like $6 and change for the one that I did make. It's smaller, excuse me, it's smaller than the ones that I saw online, but that's okay. I really think it came out really good. And I'm gonna show you a picture of the ones that I saw, and then you'll see the one that I made and how I made it. It's a short tutorial. And so I want to welcome my new subscribers, the names that I got. So I want to welcome Donna Deals and DIY, Sassy Southern MC Girl, Alma Tyser, Cook It Forward, and Tina Simon. Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I want to welcome anybody that's subscribed to my channel and the people that have been following me and supporting my channel thus far. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and if you could like my videos and share my channel, that will help me a lot to bring you more videos. I hope that you like this video and that you'll go ahead and make one of these adorable little trays for yourself if you've had your eye on them as I have. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you'll check me out on my next video. I hope you all have a great weekend. It's Friday. I will see you soon on my next video. Take care. I'll see you soon. Hasta luego. Okay guys, and here's what I bought to make this wooden beaded tray. I'm gonna use 2 of these oval wooden pieces that I got at Dollar Tree. Moving along, I am going to use some of these paints, which I already have, so most of us have some paint at the house. I am going to use some of those and probably the matte Mod Podge as well. I found these wooden beads which have a monogram leaf on it, but I really didn't care about the leaf. As you could see, some of them were broken, and I wasn't planning to use those, and I only ended up using 3 of those packets, these monogram leaves. And I found these wood shapes which are little snowmen. They're so cute, and I'm gonna be using those as well. That's all, you guys. Some hot glue and the paintbrush, and that's it. Let's get started. So I'm gonna start by wearing some rubber gloves and protecting my surface since I'm going to be painting and using some hot glue. Next, I'm gonna get the 2 oval pieces of wood and I am going to hot glue those together. So I'm going to place the glue toward the center of the piece of wood so it doesn't spill over. I'm gonna press down on it for a few minutes to let the glue set and allow it to dry. Once I see that the glue has set and the 2 pieces of wood are pretty tight, then I'm going to start getting the wooden beads and I'm going to hot glue them all along the edge of the oval wooden pieces. So you want to add glue along the edge of the wooden oval piece, but also a little bit of glue on the side of the previous wooden bead that you placed. And you want to make sure that you are trying to make them as straight as possible along the edge of the oval wood. And I'm sure that you get the picture of what I'm doing, so I'm just going to show you little bits and pieces until I'm done gluing the wooden beads to the oval wood. Oh, I was a little worried about this last part, but wasn't I lucky that this turned out perfectly? All the wooden beads went perfectly all along the border of the oval wood. I was a little concerned that I might have a gap in the end, but it just turned out perfect. Now that I've got all the wooden beads along the edge of the oval wood, I'm going to start painting my little tray. So I'm going to start calling it a tray now because it's no longer just a little piece of oval wood. So I'm going to start painting with the white, and maybe I'll just add a little bit of the antique white if I don't want it. I'm going to play around with the white and the antique white, and then I'll add a little bit of the matte Mod Podge. So these little wooden snowmen that I bought at Dollar Tree are going to be the legs to my wood beaded tray. I think those are going to be perfect. So I'm going to hot glue 4 of those along the 4 corners of my little tray. So now that I've hot glued the little legs to my tray, I'm going to paint the bottom of the tray as well. I also went ahead and painted a light coat of the matte Mod Podge to the top of the tray, and I really like the way that it turned out. Maybe you could notice that I added a little bit of bling in between each of the beads on the front of the tray. And here it is, you guys. This is my finished little wooden beaded tray. I am in love with it. I think it's beautiful. I love the way that it turned out. And I, like I said, I only spent upwards of $6, not even quite $7. Here it is with my little pumpkins on it. And I really like it. I'm super happy with it. I hope that you'll try it if you had your eye on this kind of tray, which they're using a lot in decor right now. And I'm going to show you now how I put a few of my little angels on it as well, so you can decorate it for any time of the year. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you will try it if you think it's something that you'll like for your home. Tell me what you think in the comments below, guys. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye, guys. Hasta luego.